Welcome everyone. This is Natun from Bit-natun.weebly.com. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows station. So let's get started. So when you have a Windows station, slow Windows station, there's a really high chance that you have a lot of unnecessary software running at the same time. So how do you check them? It's just click on here and you might have like these are the obvious software that you can disable. So you have a lot of software here and you want to make sure they don't start it again when you boot up your computer next time. So how do you disable them? It's pretty easy. On your keyboard there's a Windows key and the R key. So just press them at the same together. So Windows key and R, and the little round box should pop up. And you want to type in ms config without space, and press OK. And go to the Starter tab, and you want to uncheck all the software that you don't want to use and don't want to start up. So I don't want PBTV and these stuff. I'm unchecking all the software that I don't want to use and or start up. Okay, there are a lot of software. Huh? C++. Okay, this one too. After that, you want to click on Apply first, and OK. Normally, you'll have to restart your computer right away, but in this case, I still want to show you guys two more things, so I'm just gonna exit without restart. And the next thing I want to show you is a software, and it's a free software. It's pretty cool because it cleans up all the junk files on your hard drive. So where do you get it? Where do you get it? You can get it on download.com. That website is pretty cool because it has a lot of free software for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and it's totally legal. And the software that I want you to download, it's called CCleaner, which is here. But for the purpose of showing this website to you, I'm just gonna search it in the search bar. And you can search for Windows software or Mac software. For this case, I'm gonna look for both Windows and Mac and press enter. And here's a search result. So how do you determine between Windows version and Mac version? It's here. There's a little window logos here, and there's a little Apple logos here. So that's how you determine it. So yeah, for this case, since I'm using the Windows Station, I'm gonna download the Windows version. So and click run and press yes. Okay, next. Okay, right here, whenever you install a software, you want to check what you're installing, because like most of the software company, they have agreement with another software company. So in the end, you might end up with installing 4 software. So you want to check that. You don't want it to happen. So let me check. Here's add desktop shortcut. Add stuff. Okay, there's no other software that I'm installing, which is good. So install and finish. Okay, this is just what browser. So this is CCleaner software itself. So how do you use it? It's pretty easy. In Cleaner tab, which is I'm already in there. So you want to click on Analyze if you want to check if there's any junk file in there. And so I have 97.2 megabytes of junk files, and which haven't been deleted yet. So how do you delete it? It's easy. You just click on Run Cleaner and press OK. Okay, it's deleted. But then you want to keep deleting, keep clicking on Run Cleaner up until you see 0 bytes removed. So yeah, which is good. 0 byte removes here. So the next thing is cleaning up the registry. So you got a lot of junk registry when you uninstall software. You might think when you uninstall the software is completely gone from your hard drive, which is that's not the case. When you uninstall the software, you there's some leftover on your hard drive. So you want to delete them so your computer will perform faster. So go to registry tab and click on scan for issues. Oh, there's no issues with fall. Yeah, I. This is because I clean up my Windows like every day, so probably there's no more issue. So normally when you click on scan for issues, and there will be a lot of stuff coming, a list of registry will pop up, and when they show up, you want to click on fix selected issues here, and it will ask you to back up. Just click no for backup, and just fix everything up and like the cleaner. You want to keep cleaning up until you see nothing, like no issues will fall. So yeah, that's one software. Another another software I want to show you. It comes with Windows, so and I think that's really useful too. So how do you get there? Go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and it's called Disk Cleanup. And okay, so if you have 2 or 3 hard drive, you might like me. I have 3 hard drive. It will show like 3 of them here. But you want to the the hard drive that you want to clean is the one with the operating system on it. So which you can determine by looking at their logos. So for this one, it has little Windows logos on there, so that's the right one. Click on that, press OK. Okay, and you want to check everything here. But then it's a good habit to check what you are deleting before you delete it. But in this case, yeah, I can delete everything because yeah, I can delete everything because these are all junk. So I'm just gonna press OK and delete files. And that's pretty much it. Oh, another thing is if you're using hard drive, you'll have to defragment it like often, probably like 3 weeks, three once per 3 weeks. Where do you get? How do you do that? It's in Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and Disk Defragmenter. Click on that. And yeah, what you want to do is you can also set up a schedule, but I would recommend you to do it manually because like most of the time when you set up the schedule and your computer is turned off when the schedule is up, so you end up not defragmenting your hard drive. So I would recommend you to do it manually instead of setting up a schedule. So just click on defragment and it will start defragmenting your hard drive. And probably for it to finish defragmenting, it will take about like 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop it. So just try it and you'll notice your computer perform faster. And thank you for watching this video. Again, this is Natun from Bit-natun.weebly.com, and have a nice day.